As early as 200 years ago, gold miners discovered making through the bamboo joints, leading the water into pipe and falling down from hundreds meters high to wash away the sediment by the powerful water impact, which greatly increases productivity of gold panning. Hundreds of years of changing, with the advent of new material and technology, high-pressure water jetting technology is widely used in the field of industry, engineering, mining industry, navigation, community, the people's livelihood, military, and new application area is exploited continually. Pump manufacture, the core of DANAU industry, complete high-pressure washing machine and water jetting technology, the foundation of DANAU development. Zhejiang DANAU Industry Corporation Limited is a leading enterprise of clean and plant-protecting industry. 20 years of endeavor, we gradually comprehend pumps and its application, making great reform and innovation on pump and functional accessories. 20 years of accumulation, we have played a leading role in the formation of 6 national standards and 1 industrial standard, gained more than 100 patents for utility model and design patent, and being the national high-tech enterprise. The company has fully passed the ISO 9001 quality system certification, and the products have passed 3C, GS, CE certifications. Our products are exporting to more than 60 countries and area. DANAU possesses more than 600 sets of different kinds of CNC machining center, turning center, NC high-speed lathe, other advanced machining equipments and kinds of inspection equipments. The professional tooling and parts fixture design team greatly ensures the product quality and efficiency. Since 2008, DANAU introduced the TPS production model. Thus, major parts and most other parts are finished in one-piece flow process from the semi-finished product to finished product, which greatly reduces the waste of overproduction, the time of waiting, delivery, overtreatment, inventory, moving and production failure. 4 lines of automatic ceramic coating line with the main equipment of 9MC plasma thermal spray from America and IRB 2400 robot from Switzerland, with a yearly ceramic coating capacity of 5 million different kinds of machine parts. In the processing procedure, we refuse to produce, pass, and accept the defective parts, completely eradicate the quality issues. All the parts are in real-time detection. Defective products are found timely and solved immediately. 2 advantages of TPS are fully used, which are immediate production and automation. The company annually output 1 million sets of pump, 1.5 million sets of accessories, and 2 million sets of complete machine. For all 20 years, we're pursuing the aim of quality first and credibility priority, learning, improving, and making the manufacturing technique and production mode perfectly. Acquiring valuable experience and advice from customers all over the world. By continuously improving, we're doing our best to provide high quality and value-added products for this society. Water, the source of life, making it as much more powerful and controllable force is an everlasting mission for DANAU. We'll exert our own energies